Are you ready to experience a life that balances the serenity of nature with the convenience of city living? Welcome to Hillview 128, located at Hillview Avenue, where nature is your neighbor. Immerse yourself in lush greenery in Bukit Batok Nature Park, Little Guilin Lake, and Bukit Timah Reserve. Take a leisure stroll, breathe in the fresh air, and connect with nature. Let's go and check out the unit now. Once you step into the house, you would notice that the living and the dining area is welcoming to host family and friends. The owner has removed the kitchen wall to give an open concept feel to the whole house, so you can still interact with your loved ones while you prepare the meals. The house feels ready to move in and minimal renovation is needed, as the owner had spent almost $100,000 in renovation just 1 year ago. This 3-bedroom unit of 1044 square feet is well designed with no wasted space. Did I mention that common bedrooms are spacious and can house queen-size beds easily? More than 2 good-sized bedrooms. The start of the house is the master bedroom, which can easily accommodate a king-size bed and have ample space for a study table or dressing table. Hillview 128 is a 999 years leasehold project with only 90 units, equipped with facilities to meet your family needs. Play a game of tennis, hold your family gatherings at the clubhouse, and take a dip in the swimming pool to recharge during the weekend. This condo project is well decked out to provide you the exclusivity, and maintenance fee is less than $340 a month. Hillview 128 is well located with many amenities. Hillview MRT, Hillview 2 Shopping Mall, and Lianhua Primary School are within 1 kilometer distance. This unit is definitely ideal whether you're looking for your own stay or investment, as it ticks all the boxes in terms of legacy planning, connectivity, or rental returns. As an investor, you will get more than 3% yield annually. Compared with upcoming developments in the vicinity, investing in a 3-bedroom, 999-year condo at $1.5 million is definitely value for money in today's market. It is the right entry price and you will not have to worry about selling in the future. So call me now for an exclusive viewing before the unit is taken. Grab it or you will regret.